What is term life insurance?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to be discussing term life insurance and the pros and cons of this type of insurance policy. But first, let's go over what term life insurance actually is. Term life insurance is a type of life insurance policy that provides coverage for a set period of time, usually between 10 and 30 years. If the policyholder passes away during this period, their beneficiaries will receive a death benefit, which is a lump sum payment intended to provide financial support to the beneficiaries. Now that we understand what term life insurance is, let's move on to the pros and cons of this type of policy. The first pro of term life insurance is that it tends to be more affordable than other types of life insurance. This is because the policy only provides coverage for a set period of time, which means that the premiums are typically lower than those for permanent life insurance policies. Secondly, term life insurance provides a straightforward and simple way to get coverage for a specific period of time. This can be especially useful for people who have young children or dependents who rely on their income. It's also a good option for people who have debts, such as a mortgage or car loan, that they want to make sure are covered if they were to pass away. Another pro of term life insurance is that it's flexible. You can choose the length of the term and the amount of coverage you want. This means you can customize your policy to fit your specific needs and budget. Finally, term life insurance can be a good option for people who only need coverage for a set period of time. For example, if you plan to retire in 10 years and have enough savings to cover your needs after that, you may only need coverage until you retire. Now let's talk about the cons of term life insurance. The first con of term life insurance is that it only provides coverage for a set period of time. If you outlive your policy, you won't receive any benefits. This can be a problem if you still have dependents who rely on your income or debts that need to be paid off. Another con of term life insurance is that the premiums can increase over time. This is because the risk of death increases as you get older. If you're looking for long-term coverage, a permanent life insurance policy may be a better option. Finally, term life insurance policies don't have a cash value. This means that you won't be able to borrow against your policy or use it as an investment. So, there you have it, the pros and cons of term life insurance. If you're considering this type of policy, make sure to weigh these factors carefully and talk to a licensed broker to determine what's best for your situation. If you found this information helpful, please click the subscribe button below